Good morning to my charming students of class 5th. This is my part 3 video of chapter number 12, What If It Finishes. In this video, I will explain you about minerals as an important natural resource. So let's begin. You see, my dear children, this is the picture of petrol pump. Where do you think you need to go for the fuel for your vehicles? Yeah, it is petrol pump, from where we get petrol, diesel or CNG. How these are made? As I told you in my previous video, these all fuels are naturally made and are found deep inside the earth. All these and many other things are mixed in a thick, smelly, dark colored oily substance called petroleum. So petroleum is sent to refinery to clean and separate all these parts like petrol, diesel, kerosene, LPG cooking gas, coal tar, grease, etc. And we make paints and plastic and other things from petroleum. Now let's study about minerals as an important natural resource. The earth is made up of rocks which are composed of different substances called minerals. Minerals are important raw materials for constructions and manufacturing industries. They play a very important role in day-to-day life, right from the huge buildings we live to the computers and mobiles use. Some minerals like petroleum and natural gas are found very deep inside the earth. Kinds of minerals. Minerals are of two major types, that is, metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Most of the metallic and non-metallic minerals are found near the surface of the earth. Metallic minerals are minerals from which metals are extracted, such as iron, copper, manganese, zinc, silver, nickel, gold, aluminium. These are the examples of metals that are extracted from different metallic minerals. Learn about non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals are minerals that have no metallic, shine and break easily. These are sand, coal, gypsum, petroleum, limestone. These are the examples of non-metallic minerals. Now, different types of fuels used in India. In India, different types of fuels are being used for different activities apart from petrol and diesel. In rural areas, wood, dried twigs, cow dung cake, that is uple, are used in chulas, that is stove, to cook food for heating, for lightening, for warming water, etc. Fuels like petrol, diesel, kerosene, wood, uple, etc. produces smoke when burnt. This causes air pollution. You can see, my dear children, this is the picture of chula. A lady is cooking on chula, which is mainly used for cooking, warming water and many other purposes. LPG stove is environment friendly, that helps to reduce pollution. It does not produce any smoke at all. Nowadays, government is also encouraging the people to use LPG stove instead of chula in villages. I'm going to tell you some of the tips of saving fuels. For cooking, use a lid on vessels when cooking or use a pressure cooker. Keep ingredients washed, chopped and ready before starting to cook. Use public transport to reduce your individual share in fuel consumption. If you can't go by public transport, opt for a carpool with people going in the same direction. Switch off the vehicle's engine while waiting at signals. If you need to travel a short distance, walk or cycle instead of taking a vehicle. These small steps go long way in saving valuable fuels for future needs. Now let me explain you the answer in brief of chapter number 12, what if it finishes. Before writing the work, please, my dear children, write the date. It is very important. Now answer in brief, that is short answers. Chapter I had already explained you. So my dear children, you will not be having any problem in answering my questions. First one, name any 3 vehicles that give off smoke. Bus, car, scooter. In the exam you can write your own answers also, but in the copy you will write what I am giving you. Question number 2, which states of India have oil fields? Following are the states of India which have oil fields: Assam, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 3, write the full form of LPG and CNG. So full form of LPG is liquefied petroleum gas and CNG is compressed natural gas. These both helps to reduce pollution. Question number 4, what is refinery? Refinery is a place where crude oil, that is petroleum, is cleaned and diesel, petrol, grease, wax, etc. are separated. This process I have shown in my video also. Question number 5, from where do we get petroleum? We get petroleum from deep down under the ground. Question number 6, how do we clean the raw petroleum? You know, raw petroleum is very thick, black in color. So we have to clean it. So to clean raw petroleum, it is sent to refinery. Raw means not purified or processed. Question number 7, what kind of problems can we face from noise of vehicles? Noise of vehicles can lead to severe problems like headache, stress, lack of sleep, irritation, increased blood pressure, etc. So these are the very severe problems we faced from noise of vehicles. Question number 8, where is diesel used? So we have to write the uses of the diesel. Diesel is used as fuel in vehicles and in generators to produce electricity. Now here are some long answers. Question number 1, write some uses of oil. Uses of oil are: for dry cleaning we use oil, in generators, to run vehicles, to cook food as kerosene and LPG, to run machines, to make plastic and paints. So these are the uses of oil. Question number 2, write any 5 traffic rules. First, follow traffic lights and signs. Wear helmet on a two-wheeler. Tie the seat belt when in car. Drive within the speed limits. Never use mobile while driving. So we must follow these traffic rules to avoid accident. Third, how can we save petrol? How can we save the petrol? Use public transport or carpooling. Carpooling I have explained to you, that is group of people going together in a work. Switch off your vehicle while waiting at the traffic lights. Use bicycle to go near distances. Use CNG instead of petrol or diesel. So these procedures can be used to save petrol. Now this is the last long answer. What difficulties would you face if you cook food using wood and upla? The smoke coming out of chula due to the burning of wood or cow dung cakes, that is upla, causes serious health issues like coughing, nausea. Nausea is a feeling like vomiting, headache, irritation in eyes, lung diseases. So these problems we face from the smoke coming out of chula. So my dear children, copy down all the work, that is short and long answers, and learn it also. These both chapter number 11 and 12 will come in your periodic test also. So my dear children, this was all about chapter number 12, what if it finishes. I've explained you all the topics given in the chapter. Hope all will watch part 1, part 2 and part 3 video of chapter number 12, what if it finishes, so that your concept will be clear. If you have any queries regarding this chapter, you can text me. So this was all for today. Thank you, my dear children. God bless you all.